Yo, whoa. First order of the day is going to be a McDonald's. This one is $8 going 5 miles.
Hey, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This is $10 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Of course.
We are now on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this next order is going to be a McDonald's going 3 miles.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $5. Next up is a Muchas Gracias. This is going about 5 miles. No tip. Who is surprised? Not me. Total for that was $6. Next up, got a Starbucks, $7 going 5 miles. Thank you. Oh boy, this one is a hand to customer. Oh, because I need a pin. It says leave in lobby with blah blah blah. But I need a pin. So you better be there. Morning.
We can actually take that. That's
Yeah,
fine.
but I also need a pin number.
Oh, well then you have to sit and wait.
Okay.
Sorry.
You can let him know that you're done here.
Yeah. They're not answering. Yeah, kind of don't have time to be waiting around for that because they give me another order that is way more important. This is a McDonald's, $20 going like 3 miles. That's a lot of food. 22 items.
Morning.
Morning. I needed a number from you.
4-5.
4-5. Got the next order right away. This is a Seize the Bagel. This is $8 going 4 miles. Next up is a Taco Bell. This is going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $5. Next up is a Muchas Gracias. This is $8 going 4 miles. Thank you. Next up is a Starbucks. This is going 2 miles. Total for that one was $4 and change. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 5 miles, only 3 items. Heading back to Safeway for this one. Got another shop and deliver. This one is $10 going 4 miles, 4 items. Got the next order right away. This is a Seize the Bagel, $8, going 4 miles. Alright, I'm just getting spammed by garbage now, so I guess that's my sign to go home. Current time is 9:37. Current total is 92, and I'm waiting on a couple Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever those come in. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.